Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video about TST, and today I'll be sharing with you guys some tips you need to know before you start trading TST. Okay, when I mean trading, I mean actively trading TST in terms of buying low, selling high. Okay, so the first tip is this. First tip is that you need to buy TST first. Either you buy direct from the exchange or you buy direct from me or from the website, whichever option. Okay. And most important thing in buying is knowing the price point at which you are buying TST. And in this case, I'm not talking about buying with buying with TBC. I'm talking about buying with 100% cash, Bitcoin or Ether. Okay. I'm talking about buying with Bitcoin, Ether, or cash. Okay, because if you're using this payment option, you are being sold TST based on market rate. When you're buying with Kringles, it's not based on market rates. Okay, so that's why you trading with it is not advisable. Okay, unless you don't want to be hindered by the amount of the exchange rate at which you bought the TST with Kringles. Okay, so but make sure you buy TST with cash, Bitcoin, or Ether, so you get TST based on market value. Okay, so number two is, like I said, you need to know the price point. Number two is being able to understand the market. Okay, being able to understand the market, how these charts come about. Okay, all right. So if you look at this chart that I'm showing you right now, you see it goes up, it comes down, it goes up, it comes down. This is basically trading that is happening. People are buying, people are selling. So when people sell, it comes down. Okay. When people buy, it goes up. That's the way market is. Okay. This is raw data, not manipulated, showing buying and selling activity that is happening in TST market. Okay, so that's number two. Number three is being patient. Okay, number three is being patient, to understand that it's not I buy immediately, I sell immediately. That's not trading. You're basically just uh trying to buy your own pumping of price. Okay, so let's say you bought $100 TST right now, and that purchase pushes the price up. Okay, it doesn't necessarily mean that the market has appreciated for you. Okay, yes, the market might have gone up in terms of the chart, but for you it hasn't gone up because Uniswap, which is the exchange we use, okay, sells to you based on its own rate. I get what I'm saying. It determines the market rate. Okay, and that's what CoinGecko takes value from. Okay, so when you go and you pop your own price and you want to go and sell, you are basically getting the same amount of money that you spend in buying the coin. Okay, you are spending basically the same amount of money that you spent buying the coin. Then probably you have made loss in terms of fees because you did not calculate in the fees when doing your trade. So that is the next point I'm trying to make. And I think this should be point 4 or 5. Can know your fees. Do your maths, okay? Do your maths, okay? If I buy TST from the exchange, okay, let's say I buy TST from the exchange with Ether, okay, I'm spending about between $0.5 to $1 plus, or between $0 to $2. Okay, let me just put it in this bracket. So whenever you're doing the transaction, you have to take note of your fee. So if I buy $20 TST from the exchange and I pay a fee of $1.50, that means what I spend in total is $21.50. So which means that if I am selling, I should aim to sell at $25, because when I'm selling at $25, I also might end up paying another $1.50. Okay, so when you minus $25 from $1.50, I should be having about $23.50. So you find out that this margin has to be big enough to accommodate whatever fee I'm going to spend in buying and in selling. So the best option is, if you invest $20 and you paid a $1.50 fee or any fee at all, your whole game, your goal is to sell at $30. Because if you sell at $30 and you minus your fees from your profit, the margin between $20 and $30 is $10. You can aim higher than that. You can go for $20. Okay? So that when you now take your profit and you minus the fee that you spend, maybe you spend about $2 fee, you find out that you have $8 as profit. Are you get what I'm saying? So that is what you should be looking out for. This is what calculation you should be doing instead of just blindly buying and selling. Okay? So this is the last tip you need to know. And another thing again is you need to go and get CoinGecko app. Okay, it's available on iOS. It's available on Android. You get it, and you use it to track the price and the performance of TST. Now note, the fact that you're tracking the price and performance of TST does not necessarily mean that you should negate checking what the outcome is when you're doing your trading. I get what I'm saying. So let's say, for example, that the price here increases, okay, and you check the value of your TST here and it shows you that it increased. And you go to Uniswap and you try to exchange. At that point, you put in the amount of TST that you have. You also, okay, have to check what the value in Ether is, because the moment you put in the amount of TST you want to sell, it shows you the amount of Ether that you're going to receive. Now you copy that amount of Ether, you go to Google and you check what the value is, or you go to CoinGecko and check what the value of that Ether really is in USD. Okay, if it rallies with what you're seeing on CoinGecko, okay, and it rallies with what you want in terms of what you want as output or as profit, then you can go ahead and swap. But if it does not tally, okay, please do not swap. Otherwise, you might incur a loss. Okay, so these are the tips you need to know when trying to trade TST. Okay, the next video I'm going to release is going to be the actual trading activity. Okay, so guys, make sure you watch this video. Until I see you guys next time, watch, share, like, comment in the comment section, ask your questions. My details or my contact details are in the description below. You contact me and let's do this. Okay, let me answer your questions and guide you where I can. Okay, so guys, that's it for this video. Expect my second video. Until I see you guys next time, take care. Bye for now.